इस वक्त बड़ी जानकारी हमें मिल रही है। 23 opposition parties along with an independent member of parliament have written to Chief Justice of India expressing concerns over the special intensive revision process and the functioning of the Election Commission. In the letter, the parties have alleged a partisan approach by the EC and raised several election-related issues. They've also urged the Supreme Court to intervene, saying such a step is necessary to restore integrity, accountability and public confidence in the electoral process. This, of course, a big development coming in. Several opposition parties have now written to the Chief Justice of India. 23 opposition parties, in fact, along with an independent member of parliament, have written to the CJI expressing concerns over the special intensive revision process and the functioning of the Election Commission. Anand Singh joins us for more on this story. Anand, what are the contents of this letter?
Yeah, well, look, it's a very detailed letter highlighting that how the Election Commission has not been providing a proper level playing field to the opposition parties and how there were several model code of conduct violations by the BJP and that are not looked upon by the Election Commission. And most interestingly, what the India bloc parties, they have highlighted in their letter is the appointment of the Election Commission commissioners from 2014 onwards, as they have mentioned that how earlier Chief Justice of India also used to be part of the high-level committee to make the appointment of the Chief Election Commissioner. But then the law was changed, which made only Prime Minister and one appointed by Prime Minister and Union Minister beside Leader of Opposition in the committee to appoint the Chief Election Commissioner. So this is the broad point that they have mentioned, highlighting that how no level playing field has been provided to the opposition parties. But coming on to the SIR, the opposition parties, they also mentioned that how the Election Commission, they carried out the special intensive revision of the voter rolls just ahead of the crucial assembly elections in several of the states, and where several lakhs of voters were disenfranchised from their voting rights, and how they were not allowed to vote or elect their government. So these are the details, as the opposition parties very categorically mentioned that through this letter they don't want to hurt or the sentiments of any of the judges who are looking after the cases of the Election Commission or related to SIR, but only to highlight the grievances that the opposition parties want to make with the Chief Justice of India, as it is one of the judicial pillars of the country. Back to you there.
All right, Anand, thank you for joining us with those details. Let's now slip into a short break.